Hello guys, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel DIY Paper Art. So guys, let's learn how to make a paper cup today. Take your paper, fold it along the diagonals. Then fold it along the other diagonal. Now turn around and bring this corner to the top like this. And bring this corner to the other side like this. Now take one flap and fold it inside. There you go. Your paper cup is now ready. You can use it to hang in your room, or you can place interesting stuff like this. To know how to make a tulip, please see the link given above. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.